Today I am here with another amazing job opportunity which is from Infosys Limited. So if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please click on the subscribe button and press the bell icon and set you never so that you never miss any future updates. Okay, so today's job update is from Infosys Limited. So it is going to be a bulk hiring. Infosys is currently hiring for the role specialist programmer and digital specialist engineer. So here is the eligibility criteria. The courses that are eligible: BE, BTech, ME, MTech, MCA, MSc, 5 years integrated. So the branches that are eligible: computer science engineering, information science and engineering, electronics and communication engineering, information technology, electrical and electronics engineering, mathematics and computing, and electronics and telecommunication engineering. Okay, so then all percentage CGPA should be a simple average for all students, semesters, years, including electives, optional subjects, additional subjects, practical subjects, and languages. And it is only for the graduates for 2022 batch. Those are only eligible to apply. Now the compensation for specialist programmer role is INR 8, means 8 LPA lakhs per annum, and for digital specialist engineer it is going to be 6.25 lakhs per annum. Now coming to the procedure, how to apply for the same. I'll provide the link in the description below. So you have to click on that link. You will be redirected to this page. Then you can read some details given here. Then you have to click on I agree that I have read all the above declarations. Then click on accept. After clicking accept, you will be redirected to this page where you have to fill the details, personal details like gender, first name, last name, primary email address. Then you have to upload your recent passport size color photo. Then you have to upload your resume, preferred contact number, alternate contact number. Then you have to fill the date of birth, citizenship. They are asking, do you have a passport? Yes or no. Then address for communication. Then the details of the address, postal code, state, country, city. Then after filling these details, you have to click on the next page. Then you will be redirected to this next page. Basically, you have to answer total 92 questions to fill this form fully. In the second page, you have to fill your educational details like 10th standard details, school, board, specialization, country, state, CGPA that you have obtained, passing month and year. Then 12th details, 12th the diploma, degree, institute, university, country, state, branch, stream, area, specialization, simple average percentage, CGPA, grade for all semesters or years, then passing month and year. After that, this is optional. If you have done your post graduation, yeah, you have to fill the details of your graduation. Then if you have done any post graduation, then you have to fill the details here. Then they are asking if you have any active backlogs, yes or no, gap in education, yes or no. Then click on next page and you will be redirected to this page. Have you undergone any selection process with Infosys Limited or Infosys subsidiaries? These, if you have participated in this, then click on yes, or else click on no. Then go to next page. Then they are asking, are you employed as a director in any company? No. Are you employed as a partner in any other company? No. Have you at any time been convinced by a court of India for any criminal offense and sentenced to imprisonment? No. Then click on next page. Please upload your college photo identity card or government photo identity proof in PDF for verification. So you have to upload anyone, uh, college photo identity or any government photo identity. So I have uploaded my Aadhaar card as a government photo identity proof. Then click on next page. Here you just have to click on I agree, date and time, place. I am giving Howrah. Then it will automatically fetch your full name. Then you have to click on validate captcha. Okay, and you are all done. Then finally click on submit button. It is uploading your files. Thank you for filling out the form. Infosys Limited recruitment powered by Infosys Service. Okay, so like this you have to submit your application form, and you will receive mails from their side about the future updates. Yeah, that's all about it. So thank you guys. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please click the like button and share with your friends, and subscribe my channel to get future updates about job related, placement related internships and free courses. Yeah, thank you. Bye bye.